Ever felt lost or overwhelmed by the numbers and formulas when trying to manage your finances? You're definitely not alone. Personal finance math can seem daunting at first, but once you break it down into simple steps, it's actually pretty easy to grasp. But breaking it down into simple steps makes it surprisingly straightforward. Whether you're calculating interest on your savings, figuring out monthly loan payments, or planning for retirement, it all boils down to a few key calculations. By learning these basics and seeing how they apply in real-life examples, you'll be ready to make smart financial decisions with confidence. Let's start with one of the easiest and most powerful concepts: compound interest. It's the idea that your money earns interest not just on the initial amount you save, but also on the interest it accumulates over time. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill, picking up more snow and growing bigger as it goes. Here's a simple formula to calculate it. End balance equals start amount times 1 plus interest rate raised to the power of the number of years. Let's say you put $1,000 into a savings account that earns 5% interest annually. In the first year, you'd earn $50 in interest. Now, in the second year, that $50 also earns interest, along with your original $1,000. So, you're earning interest on both your initial deposit and the interest from the previous year. It's like your money is working harder for you as time goes on. Next up, let's tackle loan payments. Figuring out your monthly loan payments can feel like cracking a secret code, but there's a formula that makes it simple. The formula is monthly payment equals amount borrowed times monthly interest rate divided by 1 minus 1 plus monthly interest rate raised to the power of negative number of payments. I know it looks confusing, but let's break it down with a real-life example to make it crystal clear. Imagine you borrow $20,000 to buy a car. The loan term is 3 years with a 5% annual interest rate. First, convert that annual rate to a monthly one by dividing 5% by 12, which gives you about 0.416% per month. So, here's what you have. Amount borrowed, $20,000 monthly interest rate, 0.416%. Number of payments, 36, because it's a 3-year loan. Now, plug those into the formula. After crunching the numbers, your monthly payment comes out to around $607. When you see it in action with real numbers, the formula isn't so scary after all. Let's move on to something crucial but often overlooked: planning for retirement. It might seem far off, but the sooner you start, the better. A super simple way to estimate how fast your savings can grow is by using the rule of 72. Here's how it works. Take the number 72 and divide it by your annual return rate. The result tells you how many years it will take for your money to double. For example, if your investments grow at an 8% annual rate, divide 72 by 8. The answer? 9 years. That means your money will double approximately every 9 years at that rate. It's a fun and easy way to visualize how quickly your savings can grow over time. These are just a few examples, but they cover the key calculations you'll need in many financial situations. The best part? Once you get the hang of these formulas, all you need is a calculator to do the math. And with a little practice, it'll become second nature. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips on personal finance and investing. And hey, share this video with your friends and family. Let's help everyone take control of their finances together.